Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. What we have here is an ILCO rim cylinder. Got it on eBay for, I think it was about $8 or $9 delivered. Was not very expensive. Trying to get the bidding to focus there. There we go. Not very spectacular bidding. Turns the lock very smoothly though. Since I'll be going from the bottom of this keyway, I'll just be using a SSDev deep hook and the top of the keyway pry bar. Alright, start from the front because I'm weird. Set pin 1 but dropped 2 others. Alright, we're in quite a bit of a false set here. One thing about these crappy locks with their crappy tolerances is that is sometimes what makes them a little more difficult than they should be. There we go. Alright. That's all there is to that. I could have actually went a lot quicker, but I kept dropping pins. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content. Leave a thumbs up and a comment. Let me know what you think. You guys have a great day. Goodbye.